Nights in Clemson fill up fast. Late night exams, study sessions, events, games, classes, and the occasional late night outings. There's plenty of transportation options during the day, but the real question is, how do you get around Clemson at night?
Have a good night.
My name is Hendrix. I work for Clemson Nightline. Clemson Nightline is a free, safe transportation service where you can request a ride anywhere around campus and at night, Sunday through Thursday from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. and Friday through Saturday from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m.
Oh, it goes till 3?
Oh, yes.
I had no idea.
This Saturday I'm working till 2:30 and we're going to sunrise service.
Wow, you're a trooper.
We're here to get them where they need to go. Tillman to go downtown, one dorm to another to visit their friends. Typical route for me is all over campus. The bus travels from the Snow Family Outdoor Fitness and Wellness Complex to Park and Ride Lots P7 and P8, the Botanical Gardens, the Newry Family Alumni and Visitor Center, and the CUPD station. I said that looked like the Loch Ness Monster when I first saw it. So,
almost looks like America even.
students can request a ride using the Clemson Nightline app. You'll follow a few steps to create your account. You'll be able to set your location and request a ride. You can also track the bus and get real-time notifications about the bus's arrival.
Have a good night.
I enjoy working Clemson Nightline because I get to interact with people from different places.
So what made you want to do this until like 2:30 in the morning?
I used to drive a school bus. I miss driving my little kids. But I like doing this too. I like talking to y'all. I like getting to know y'all. You have the option to add a +1 for non-registered riders. That's why it's good to have this service for events like move-in day, family weekend, or other moments where family is visiting. However, the Nightline may not be operating when the university is closed and may be unable to provide service during home football games. The impact I would want to have on them to get them safely around campus and know that we're there for them.
Thank you.
Have a good night. You're welcome.